Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be short, quick, and simple. I'm just showcasing some fall lippies that I'll be wearing this season, so I hope you guys enjoy.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your hard-earned temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. Baby, you can count on me now. When you're falling down, 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 I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Leaving you alone is the hardest, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your hard-earned temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your hard-earned temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
At this point, y'all, my lips were just so done. I just couldn't apply another lipstick and take it off. So I finally decided to just put on some lip oil and call it quits. But let me know which lippy was your favorite down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.